Click the button. I have clicked the button. Hooray. Hello, everyone. I am continuing to not be dead, and this is not the script I was hoping for. This is not scripted because why would it be? This is also not the funny edited thing I was planning on because that's just gonna continue to be delayed forever at this point, I guess. I was given the brilliant idea because I went to a local collectible shop over the weekend, and I got this hunk of junk. And one of my friends said, "Hey, you should do an unboxing video because you need content." Fuck it, let's do it. Panini NASCAR Racing 2024 trading cards. 8 cards per pack. 7 packs per box. There's still shrink wrapped. I can't read. I did not realize these were packs. This was an impulse buy because I'm stupid like that. But I saw it in the store looking for die casts because, that makes just as much sense. And, that's not good. It's coming off on. Okay, I'm gonna go get scissors real quick and make this a real fun experience. I will be right back. Ray, found the scissors! It's funnier if it's unedited, so I'm just gonna leave that in there. Yeah, I went looking for diecasts. The store had no 164 diecasts, the small ones, which made me sad. But before I left, I saw these. I was like, this is so stupid of an idea. When am I ever going to get the chance to do this again? So I was like, might as well. Why not? Fuck it, we ball. Alright. Fuck out of here. I ain't picking that up later. We don't get black on the box. Okay, 7 packs per box. It's on the top. You got that authenticity sticker. With a chance for the VIP experience of the Daytona 500. Oh boy! Oh yeah, my camera's actually legible this time. You might be able to see on the bottom if autofocus does its fucking job. Yeah, there you go. Because normally when I webcam on Discord, this is the other way around and you can't read stuff. But this is Windows camera app that didn't fucking break this time. Find 1 autograph or memorabilia card per box. Retail exclusive, look for the ultra rare slingshot insert. I have no idea what to expect. Features a 200 card set including 75 base, 70 base retro 1991, 20 base season highlights, 18 base cars, 10 base race kings, and 7 base rated rookies. And a medicine list worth of randomly inserted cards I am not reading. Rights holders, taxes, this has X and not Twitter on it, god damn it. Alright, let's get this show on the road. The box is kind of thick. It do be thick though. It's got a weird flap. It's not perfect. It's bent down in there. I don't do playing cards. I'm doing this because it's NASCAR and I'm silly like that. All my friends got giant Pokemon card sets, and I got these. This is so much better because it's so stupid. I bet you these all say, I can't even read that. Oh my god. I'm gonna just assume they say the same thing at this point. Yeah, so we got 8 off-brand Pokemon packs, and they all got Ryan's face on them. Because of course they do. No purchase necessary, see back for details. I guess that's promotion, but it doesn't even say the promotion. It just says a fucking disclaimer at the bottom. It's that black stripe. But there's nothing else to it. Alright. Let's go do this shit. That could have gone better. There we go. Do I not know how to open a pack of fucking plane? I would like to get this on camera so that I don't do this off frame. I would also like for it to not land in my crotch. There we go. Oh no, I spoiled the camera with Zane Smith. Oh no. Okay, so we got Zane Smith. We got Tyler Reddick's car. That one looks cool. I might hang it up on my wall, but it's too tiny to do that. Tony Stewart, what are you doing here? What year is this? Where am I? Who am I? What the fuck? So I guess this isn't just current stuff, but Burning Rubber, Kyle Larson. Wait a minute, is this the All-Star win? I was here! I saw that one! With my own eyes! Yo! Do I rip the diecast shelf apart, Joe? I have the Race 1 diecast for the North Wilkesboro win because you know I had fun there. Oh, how unfortunate. That's not bad. It's a Haley Began card, and it's I guess this is a holo foil because it's like yeah. But oh yeah, you can see my frickin' webcam on this one. Got the frickin' razor. That's cool. This would have been a lot more exciting if I had opened this box 2 weeks ago, but I only got it 2 days ago, so my fault. I'm gonna be honest, I have no idea who this guy is, so, yes, we have, I'm running out of jokes, because I should only show the ones that are interesting. But now I know what to expect, because like I said, this is the first pack. And we got a Bubba Wallace card on its side. I did not read the backs of these to notice that this thing has like a stat sheet. Okay, they all do. I missed that entirely. Fuck. Alright, I got a foil card immediately. That's pretty cool. I got a card that actually has some sentimental value in the first pack. So, we're doing good. So, yeah, what the fuck am I doing? We got this guy, we got that car, we got that guy, we got that car, we got that chick, that guy, this guy. I'm not even checking whether they're in frame. Like, reactions, like satire or not, they'd be, funny. Because if I just shove this in your face, like, I'm sorry to the Zane Smith fans out there, but I don't think anyone else wants to see this. And it's funnier when I think that is better, because this is not professional in the slightest. But like I said, this is all on a whim, so we're going to figure this out as we go, and we're probably going to get better at it the farther in we get. Open the fucking card pack. God damn it. funny, my hands! Can I not just... I still have my scissors here. Snip the top of these. Oh, joy. Yeah, I got it to open like that, so please bear with me. Please be patient. I have autism. All right, we got... Is this an actual card or is this the promotional? Oh shit, no. Oh no, Jolog wants me to go to the Daytona 500. Fuck it. Okay, we got Eric Amawola. No further comment. We have the last great thing that Stuart Haas ever did. We got this pack does, like me personally, this pack does not suck, but it's definitely going to be controversial. Just no comment on things I don't swoon over. Jimmy Johnson? Oh! Why does it look like this? This is an old picture, too. The Firestone still got Sprint Cup logo on it. What the fuck? What is the back of this one even? Oh, it's just him again. What the fuck? Alright, we got Dennis, because of course we do. I had a feeling he'd show up sooner or later. We got Mikey's favorite truck driver. Oh, god damn it, not again. We just dealt with this bitch. And he's back already. These are in order. This was 2 cards ago, and he's back. And then the Joe log ad. Cool. Alright, 2 packs down. Fuck do I know to go. This reminds me, and I'm also not tearing up my room for that, but what fucking is it? That blue binder right next to Jack is I don't even know if it's like a series one, because I just fucking got, but I wanted the spring Pocono races in early 2010s, but before I moved when I still went to those, I went to the merch haulers and somehow was given a autographed Denny Hamlin trading card, just the one. And apparently that was his mom that gave it to me. And that's just a weird little bit of my childhood growing up. That happened. Can I open this without needing the fucking scissors? Like, yeah, I'm still being stupid. Yes, I can. Go me. Go me! I'm gonna learn this one with you. Is that Christian? I thought that was gonna be Ekis. I was right about the first part. I was trying to read it. I have no idea who the fuck you are. I am sorry. It's the Optic Gaming Guy! Oh my goodness! I'm not gonna be stacking pennies, I'm gonna be stacking trading cards! Yo! The guy who broke the winless streak most recently! Let's go! Fuck! I just revealed when I recorded this! Why are the holo cards fucking people? I have no idea who they are. Why has this one got such a fancy fucking... Oh my god. Okay, if there are old people in here, there better be a Harvick card. I don't care whether it's foil or not. Okay, we got another Bubba car on its... I forget what I've... show it right. For some reason, I have a feeling I did not show the Alex Bowman card. I'm going to make sure you see that because one of my other friends is going to really want to make sure he sees that one. So, there you go, sir. We got a newer bubble card because the other one was from before Dr. Pepper. This one is after Dr. Pepper, and there's a like foil. You can kind of see it. It was like a foil like imprint at the bottom that I'm not sure what that's for because I'm stupid. But it's 14 of 25, and it's like reflective. So cool, I guess. We got this guy. Focus, thank you. Coca-Cola Espuma. We got the boys up in the booth. Hell yeah. And we got the Cursed Bloodline. Let's go. I don't know what I expected out of all this, but I can't say I've been let down. I'm just saying I'm slightly content. Well, no, content's not the right. I haven't had like a genuine jaw drop moment. I thought the Larson card was cool just because, again, I've seen that car in the flesh with my own two eyes. So to see it again, I thought that was neat, but that's personal. Oh no, not another Joe log ad. Oh no. Means I got 2 trips to Daytona now. Alright. Oh, there is a fancy hollow card in there. I'm not sure what that is. I see it reflecting already. There's Christian Eckes. The man who drank shit water. Oh, wow, that's old. Holy shit, I feel old. Oh my goodness. What happened to 2024? Oh my goodness. I feel old. Oh no. Alright, this might be the best pack. This is that one of those, I'm not sure if there's 2 or not. It's the same funny, you can kind of see it already. This one's cool, because I actually recognize this one. Yeah. Holofoil Rostaffer Chastain! Hell yeah, boys! Fucking blinded by the light. There we go. That's cool. In the Auto Club Speedway, Kyle Busch, Richard Childress Racing win. Ah, yes. I guess it is like historically significant because the Speedway ceased to exist. We got Sammy Smith in Nashville, apparently. If there is a Danica card, I am just not going to mention it. We got AJ Allmendinger, who I am still pissed at Lionel over because they DMP'd the Roval win in 164. I'm still mad about that. And another Joe log ad. I'm running out of room on my desk. Oh no. Okay. Gotta have a strong crotch for this to hold up all these cards. Alright, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say it was 7. Was it 8 a box? 8 a pack and 7 a box, or 7 and 8? 8 and 7. Okay, so that's what, 3 more? Yep. How did I make an unboxing video fucking 20 minutes long? I'm only halfway done. I've got... I could have watched like fucking, I don't know, like an episode in Ninjago or some shit, like some shit that's actually useful and productive for society. Or Scott the Laws, there you go. I don't want to use scissors, my hands are covered in black because the wrapping. Ah, fuck it. I am going to circumcise you! Your dick is small. Congratulations. Remember, this is not scripted, by the way. This is just me and fuck ass. Oh, God, not another one. They really want me to see Jello, don't they? Not this bitch again. Again, I love these cards that are like the same thing, but they're not the same cards. It's the Kyle Busch one. I'm pretty, yeah. He won a lot for some reason. That nobody, not that it's bad, just right, no one was expecting that. So I gotta figure out which one. This is the first actual Joe Log card. I got 3 ads before I got a real one. We got another Chase Elliott one, and I'm gonna go break the immersion real quick because I just got this one on Saturday also. This one is across my room and does not take a giant amount of effort and time to find, but look familiar? See, when I'm able to do this, this is cool. This is what makes me happy, is shit like this. So that's Poggers, I think. We got a hollow foil for David Starr, also at Nashville. Yeah, it's a hollow foil for Ty Gibbs. Why? Why? I mean, no one likes him. I did not realize that it was that visually apparent that I am upset about that. Brennan Poole, first career win. Yeah. First check. Oh. I was gonna say this guy's gonna show up sooner or later. Just first series win. First T-Series. Oh no, if not T-Series. Oh no, Carson, what have you done? We got the call811.com before you dig 200. And another Joe I get. I might actually be going to Daytona, boys. Let's fucking go. Alright, we got 2 packs left. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This one. They're cards, they'll be fine. Alright. Oh, that spoiled that one because I saw the back of it. It's yellow. I have a sneaking suspicion. No, I was wrong. Jake Burton again? Alright, I'll take it. It's better than Jello. Get. Yeah. We got Bill Elliott. I told you I wouldn't mention it. It actually happened. We got Bill Elliott. It's all good. We got a holofoil version of that Custer Championships. This one actually... I know, the new moments aren't going to be as, like, hotly received by, like, old people. Fucking, where's the light? There we go. Oh yeah, there's the sun. Black hole sun. But again, I actually watched this race. So to see stuff I recognize, I think that's cool. Oh, this is a weird ass. It's a Denny Hamlin car, and it's got that stamp of like limited run stuff again. Yeah, you can see the. Yep. So that's all right. Dale Earnhardt Jr., we won, boys! Woo! Jim John! Hell yeah, boys! The stars of tomorrow, or something like that. Yeah! And then I said Jeb Burrow was in the back. I didn't say that, but I accidentally read the backside of the card opening the pack. We got Jeb and Jeff. The front and the back. Oh no, that pack's back there still. Excuse my fat ass for showing, but I have to. I don't know how else I'm supposed to get this off the floor, and we're gonna castrate this one just for fun. I'll cut off your nutsack and nail it to my door. That was actually the cleanest snip of them all. Please be good. It wouldn't be a card pack without another Daytona ad. I didn't even say his name. I'm not safe. Fuck. Okay, you know, for hell, I'm just going to go through this last pack without showing it just because, unless interesting, we got Brett Moffitt from Xfinity, Casey Keene from the Nextel era. There's my autographed card from Parker Retzlaff. I mean, that's not bad at all. I'm just saying, it's like, I forgot it did that, so I forgot to be excited about it. 10 of 10. Yeah, this shit rare, alright. We got another Jim John with the 7-time champion statistic. We got Please Dear God win at some point. You really deserve it already. Didn't I already get a David Starr card Nashville? Did I actually just get a full duplicate? Took 7 packs and only one duplicate. I want to burn this card. Because why? I mean, this is worthless, and I don't appreciate the fact that this happened in the way it did either. And Daytona ad. Alright, so the card which we will not mention happened. That was probably the most ironic one. That signed one's probably obviously like the valuable one. I still think that in the first pack, these are all frame on the side of my bed. I still think that Larson card from the first set might be my favorite. Because, yeah, they glaze him, they dick grade him, he's popular. But, man, I like the personality, and everyone else I used to like it has either already retired or is going too soon. So, I need something. And if this gets me excited, it does the job. That's all I needed to do. So, we got cards, baby! Wrong side of the camera. I did not plan on spending half an hour doing this. I mean, yeah, I don't know what else you want me to do. New videos coming out never.